Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a non-veg version of khichdi. It is chicken khichdi, or it's also known as khichda in some regions. So this chicken khichda is flavorful. It's a combination of rice, dals. You can use one dal, moong dal, or a combination of some dals, whatever you like. Very flavorful. Lots of spices also are added to it. And this can be relished like any other khichdi with its 3 R's. Dahi, papad or achar. So let's go and make this flavorful chicken khichdi or chicken khichda. Ingredients for khichdi. Here we have taken 1 cup of rice, basmati rice, quarter cup of moong dal, quarter cup of toor dal. Here you can take any dals of your choice. Half cup birista or deep fried onion. If you don't have these, you can fry 2 to 3 large onions and use. 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of garlic, few mint leaves, 1 tomato, few cashew nuts for garnishing. Whole spices we have taken 1 bay leaf, few cloves 4 to 5, 1 cinnamon stick, 8 to 10 peppercorns, and 3 to 4 green chilies. 3 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. Salt to taste. Quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon coriander powder. Here we have the chicken ready. 200 grams of boneless chicken cut into small pieces. Wash it well and set it aside. We are not marinating it with anything. I have soaked the rice and dals already, since we have to soak them for 1 or 2 hours so that we can start the cooking process immediately. Now in a pressure cooker, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now add the whole spices. When they give out aroma, add the ginger and garlic. Saute it a bit till the color changes. Now you can add the tomato and the green chilies. Saute it a bit and cover with the lid so that the tomato gets cooked and soft. Now add the chicken pieces. Saute the chicken until it changes the color. About a minute or so. Chicken cooks faster, and these are very tiny pieces, so it will hardly take time. This is done. Now add the salt and the mentioned spice powders: red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and cumin powder. Give it a nice mix. Now add the birista or the deep fried onion. I am saving little bit for garnishing. Now add just little water, about quarter cup, so that the onion gets cooked with the chicken. We'll close the pressure cooker and just cook it for 1 whistle. Release the pressure and open it. The onion is also cooked. Now at this stage, add water. 3.5 cups of water, preferably hot water. I am adding hot water so that the cooking process doesn't stop. This is also a tip. Add few mint leaves and bring it to a boil. Check the salt If you want a softer consistency, you can add half cup more, 4 cups of water. Now add the soaked rice and dal. This is done. Give it a stir. Cover the lid now. We will bring it to a boil before closing the pressure cooker. When it starts to boil, we will check the salt before closing the lid, so that if it is less we can add. Adjust the spices, salt, everything. Finally add the remaining ghee, 1 tablespoon on top. Now you can close the lid and grease the rim of the lid. This is a tip. When you do this, the water doesn't come out. Even while you are cooking dal, you can use this tip. Cook for 2 or 3 whistles. For normal rice, we usually cook for 2 whistles. Since this is khichdi, you can cook for 3 whistles. Release the pressure and then open it. Khichdi is done. The flavorful chicken khichdi or khichda, whatever you call it, is ready to be served. It's better to serve immediately for good flavors. Garma garam khichdi. Dish it out and garnish with some fried cashew nuts, fried onion, some mint leaves, and you can relish it with pickle, yogurt and fried papads. The best accompaniments for khichdi. So friends, do give it a try. Make and enjoy this delicious chicken khichdi. I'm sure you're going to love it. Do share the feedback when you make it. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.